Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you a very useful tip on Chrome. You can get color from any website. For example, if you like some color and if you want to use it to somewhere on an application or paint or web development or anywhere, you should know those RGB values of that color. For example, if you want any color on anywhere, for example, this color. So how you can get that color? First of all, you need to have a Chrome extension for that. You can click on this color picker for Chrome and extension, and all that you need to do is you just need to add it to Chrome. So add it to Chrome, so this gets downloaded and installed, and you can pin it here. You can confirm add extension so that it gets downloaded, and as soon as it's downloaded and installed, you can click on this extensions bar and you will find it here. See, you can click, yeah, you can click on this extension. You can pin here. Once you pin here, it will be appearing here. So go to the website which you want to have the color. Just click once here, click on the extension and then click on pick, and now move the cursor to where you want to get the code and tap on there. Once you tap on there, you will get the RGB values. Note them: 9, 211 and 138. You can open any application like paint or web development or anything, and you can give the RGB values over there. RGB values are 91 and 211 and 138 respectively. 211 and 138. 138. And you can click on OK, and when I fill with the filler, the exact color will be appearing here. So this is how you can get the color from any website, web page or an image or anything. So if you like this tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.